This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can set up the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Sound and Vibration category, and from here open the Do Not Disturb Preferences page. Here you can enable it, disable it, set up automatic schedules for this mode, focus mode. You can set up the contacts and apps exceptions for the DND mode, so you can set the contacts that you will still receive phone calls from once the DND mode is enabled, as well as select the apps that you would like to go through the DND mode as well. And you can also enable or disable two options here, one of them being the ring for repeated calls, and another one is silence media when DND mode is on. So that'll be more or less it. The only last thing that I'll show you is that you can just enable or disable it from your control panel. So open it, find the DND mode shortcut or tile, here it is, and from here you can enable or disable it, which is way more convenient. So that'll be it for this video. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.